Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This is the third video of the series AZ-104 exam. Coming towards questions. Question is, you have Azure subscription linked to an Azure Active Directory tenant. The tenant includes a user account named user1. You need to ensure that user1 can assign a policy to the tenant root management group. What should you do? Option A. Assign owner role for the Azure subscription to user 1 and then modify the default conditional access policy. Option B. Assign owner role for the Azure subscription to user 1 and then instruct user 1 to configure access management for Azure resources. Option C. Assign global administrator role to user 1 and then instruct user 1 to configure access management for Azure resources. Option D. Create new management group and delegate user 1 as the owner of new management group. And correct option would be option B. Assign owner role for the Azure subscription to the user 1 and then instruct user 1 to configure access management for Azure resources. Next question. You need to ensure that Azure Active Directory user named admin1 is assigned to the required role to enable traffic analytics for an Azure subscription. And solution provided is to assign network contributor role at the subscription level to admin1. Does this solution meet the goal? And the correct option would be yes. Next question. You have Azure subscription that contains user name user1. You need to ensure that user1 can deploy virtual machine and manage virtual network. The solution must use principle of least privilege. Which role-based access control role should you assign to user1? Option A, owner. Option B, virtual machine contributor. Option C, contributor. Option D, virtual machine administrator login. And correct option would be option B, virtual machine contributor. Next question. You have Azure subscription name subscription 1 that contains an Azure virtual machine named VM1. VM1 is a resource group named RG1. VM1 runs services that will be used to deploy resources to RG1. You need to ensure that service running on VM1 can manage resources in RG1 by using the identity of VM1. What should you do first? Option A. From Azure portal, modify manage identity setting for VM1. Option B. From Azure portal, modify access control setting of RG1. Option C. From Azure portal, modify access control setting of VM. Option D. From Azure portal, modify policy setting of RG1. And correct option would be option A. From Azure portal, modify manage identity setting of VM. Next question. You have Azure DNS zone named adatum.com. You need to delegate a subdomain named research.adatum.com to a different DNS server in Azure. What should you do? Create a NS record named research in adatum.com zone. Option B. Create a PTR record named research in adatum.com zone. Option C. Modify SOA record of adatum.com zone. Option D. Create a record named star.research in adatum.com zone. Correct option would be option A. Create an NS record named research in adatum.com zone.